Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Barbie look and dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and then you can make it blonde. And then you can use this makeup style, or if you have custom makeup, you can try to look more similar to Barbie. And then we're going to wear this jeans, and then I'm going to remove the flower and I'm going to color it with this pink color, and then I'm going to change the material to matte. Okay, and the next one, we're going to wear this hat and I'm going to make the same color. Okay, this is for the color code. And then I'm going to move to this necklace area and wear this necklace. Okay, oops, sorry. All right, and let's move to the top area. We're going to wear this top and make it pink. Oops. Okay, you can apply this pink color, and then I'm going to wear this shoe. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And the last one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to put on, okay, I'm going to use the coat item. We're going to wear this bag, and then for the bag I'm going to make this color. Okay, for the second selection. All right, and then I'm going to add eyelashes as well, and I'm going to change the toggle to let me choose the okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create Barbie look and dress to impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.